Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add new attachment slots to ranged weapons in Survival Game Kit V2. This video will work for both Unreal Engine 5 and Unreal Engine 4. I recommend making a backup of your project before following this guide though. So to get started, we're going to search for e_attachment type, open that up, and in here we're going to add a new enumerator. This might take a second to load. Once that's there, we can just rename this. I'm going to call mine new attachment, but you can call yours what you like. Then once that's done, we're going to click save, and then we're going to hit play in editor. This might take a second to load, so just let it do its thing. If you get any errors like this, don't worry. We're just going to click open all errored blueprints, and all we need to do is compile them. So just hit compile, and then do the same thing for any of the other blueprints, and it should get rid of all those errors. Then we can hit play again, and our character should load in. So once that's done, we're going to search for weapon inventory, open that up, and in here we're going to open the do not edit variables category. We're going to right click muzzle item and do find references. This will show us all the places we need to add our new variable. Then we're going to right click the muzzle item again and do duplicate. I'm going to call mine new attachment. You can call yours what you like. Then we're going to compile. Now in our new variables default values, we need to open this up and set the attachment type to your new attachment type. So for me, that's new attachment. Then we'll compile again. Then we're going to double click this first entry in the find results, and that will show us where we need to add a new variable. So I'm just going to get new attachment, set it, plug it into new attachment, and copy attachment L and plug that into there. Then we'll go to the next one, and the same thing here. So we're going to get new attachment, set it, plug it into new attachment, and copy new attachment L and plug that in there as well. Then we're going to go to select attachment item, and we're going to get new attachment, and we're going to plug that into the new attachment pin, and we can compile. Once that's done, we're going to go to the content browser and search for attachment window. Open that up, and in here we're going to find the muzzle slot in our hierarchy, and we're going to duplicate it, and over here we're going to rename it. So I'm just going to call mine new attachment slot. You can call yours whatever your attachment slot is, and then we're going to move it. So I'm just going to move mine down to say here. If you decide to move yours so there's 5 slots wide, you will need to go into attachment window and change the number of attachment slots wide to 5. I'm just going to leave mine at 4 because mine's down here, but that's something to keep in mind if you make this window wider. Now with our new attachment slot selected, we want to first change the slot name. So this is a name that appears above the slot. I'm just going to call mine new attach. You can set yours to what you like. And then the attachment slot type, we need to make sure that we change this to our new attachment slot. So mine's new attachment. Once that's done, we can compile. I'm going to go to the graph, then go to attachments and select attachment slot. Then we're going to get our new attachment slot variable and plug that in here like that. Then we can compile. So now our new attachment slot is all set up. We just need to set a weapon to actually use that slot, and then we need to set an attachment to attach to that slot. So I'm just going to be using the M4. So if I search for BP_M4A4 and open that up, you can do this in any ranged weapon you want. I'm just going to do it in here. I'm going to search for available, and available attachment slots, we need to add a new element and set that to our new attachment slot. So now our M4 can use that new attachment slot, which compile. And now we're going to set a attachment to use that slot. So I'm going to just use the silencer. So I'll just search for BP silencer, open up silencer attach. Then in the class defaults, you can see we've got attachment type. We just need to change that to new attachment, then compile. You can do this in any of the attachment blueprints. I'm just using the silencer as an example. Now we can test this out. So I'm just going to hit play, run over and grab an M4. So we'll equip that. Going to get a backpack quickly as well. And then we'll grab our silencer, open up the inventory, and if we double click the weapon, you can see we've got our new slot. I can drag this in, and it actually attaches on our gun as well. You can see the silencer there. And if we open up again and remove it, see the attachment is removed. So that's everything for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.